Let me show you how to do this eyeliner with a twist makeup. My skin was already prepped, so I can focus on my brows. I styled them with Got2B Glued gel. Powder them lightly with a translucent powder. And then I draw hair-like strokes to fill in my brows using NYX's Lift&Snatch marker. I first carve out my brows with a tiny amount of primer. Then I prep my lids too. I use Primarry primer from Boys and Berries. I apply Mascara eyeshadow from Juvia's Place The Warrior palette on the brow bone. Then I apply the shade Superficial from Boys and Berries Material Girl palette in the crease, making sure to elongate the shape of my eye. I apply the shade B1 from Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette on my mobile lid. It is the first time I use this palette, therefore I am really excited to see how the eyeshadows are. First, I apply the eyeshadow with a flat natural brush to one eye, while I apply it to the other one with my fingertip. I like it better applied with my fingertips, so in the end I reapply like this, a thin layer on the other side to get the same intensity. I apply purple pencil on my lower lid as a makeup base to intensify the eyeshadow. I use this pencil from Golden Rose, but you may use any purple pencil you'd like. After I apply it, I blend out the margins using a small flat brush, then I set it with C3 eyeshadow. I apply Ink Potion Gel Eyeliner from Boys and Berries on my waterline, then I do my eyeliner too. I apply the eyeshadow D3 on my lower lid right next to my lash line. I apply Pump Up Booster Mascara from Miss Sporty, and since it belongs to my personal kit, it is safe to use its own wand. Moving on to the face makeup, I apply e.l.f.'s Power Grip Primer with a synthetic brush. Then I apply MAC Studio Fix Foundation with a foundation brush from Leonardo number 13 using tapping motions. I conceal my dark circles and I highlight my face with MAC Prolongwear Concealer. I set everything in place with NYX's Can't Stop Won't Stop powder. I contour my face with Inglot's Sculpting Powder number 508. I continue by applying a pink blush from Inglot. I mix these two highlighters from BPerfect's Carnival palette and I apply them on my cheekbones. For extra sparkles, I apply Boys and Berries Magic Nights highlighter. I contour my lips with a pencil from Boys and Berries, then I apply liquid lipstick from Essence Say 8 Hours Matte. The last and optional step is to apply setting spray. And you are ready! Look how different this makeup looks like under colorful lights. Isn't it beautiful? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching!